Good morning to all. I am Subramanian, working as a professor in automotive department at SNSCT College of Technology. In this session, we are going to see about the overview of mechanical engineering. The topic is welding. In this welding, we see about the arc welding itself. So, welding means what is welding? Welding means joining of both the metals. So, joining of two metals with or without pressure, but heat applying it. So, apply the heat with or without pressure, joining of two metals is known as the welding itself. So, that is a heat based welding means by it will be both the metals will be joined with the help of a filler material also. And electrode will be used as a filler material, and which is melts on the on electricity heat produced, and also the parameter also melts. All the three metals will be joining it as soon as the welding itself. And pressure based welding, there will be no filler material there, only parameter will be heated to some extent, and on the giving some pressure, the welding both the metals will be joined there. So the essential welding terminologies is known as the alloy, arc, bead, and electrode. So alloy is some metal added to the metal itself to enhance the properties, but arc is the electrical discharges between the electrode and the base metal itself. And bead is the metal filled metal is known as the bead on the work surface itself when the electrode melts and fuses into the molten steel. Electrode is a covered material with the flux itself. And the key welding components are the electrode holder, which holds the electrode itself. It is a hand clamp itself, and it securely holds the electrode, which is coated with the flux, as well as the electric current passes through the holder itself. And the filler material is the metal added to the weld pool by melting the electrode itself. So the weld can be due to the heat, it can be melted. The electrode may be melted, but must be as a similar material to the parameterial also. And sometimes use about the gas welding, there will be a nozzle will be there. Through the nozzle, the gas will be passed. Gas burns inside from the gas which escapes through the nozzle itself. These weldings will be have penetration to it. So the penetration will be penetrating on the base on the fusion on the depth of the parent material, such that the heat will be penetrated, and either in the gas welding or else in the arc welding, the shielding gas will be provided, such that it will not have a direct contact with the atmospheres. Now the critical, we see the all the critical concept, welding concepts. So depth of fusion is how depth we are using the film material itself, and also flux will be coated there. This is the welding bead here. This is a welded bead, which is the where the depth of the extension, where the depth of fusion is has been penetrated inside, and over coated as soon as the flux is there, which will provide the weldment from the atmospheric condition, such that not to have a direct contact itself. So it will be providing the oxidations, and also you can see a slag. Whichever material is apart from the material, apart from the metals, it will be formed as a slag on top of it, which can be removed by the chipping hammer itself. And next is the welding process. What is the welding process? There are two processes there. There is a consumable electrode welding and non-consumable electrode welding. Here is the welding method there. This is the distance between the electrode and the parent material, such that the distance must be 3 to 5 mm, such that the electric current may be passing it, and the weld metal can be melted from the electrode as well as the parent material will be welded there. And this is a parent material here, which is the depth of the welding is this is the depth of the welding penetration of the welding itself. So there are consumable electrode welding means the electrode will be consumed there. There is a flux coated arc welding, or is a gas metal arc welding, and sheet metal arc welding, and submerged arc welding. In these, all these electrode will be consumed there. Whereas a non-consumable electrode means it is a electrode slag welding. So here there is a electrode will not be there, only under pressure itself the electrode welding will be carried out. We see about the shielded metal arc welding, SMAW. So, officially Every time it has arc welding means known as a shield metal arc welding itself. So here the current flow will be based such that this electrode will be connected to the table, and the electrode will be cathode will be connected to the table, and the electrode will be passes from the electrode itself. So positive negative connections will be giving the shield itself. Now the principle is arc will be initiated, and once the arc is initiated, the metal is transferred from the motor metal to the slag itself, to the par metal, and the slag formation will be on the weld metal top of the will be covered with the electrode itself. Finally, the process will be controlled on the control of the current and the travel of the travel speed itself. This electrode component shielding is here we can see the shielding gas will be there because of the more gases has been more welding has been done there, the gas will be formed as a shielding gas. This will be formed until the welding is carried out there. And with this we come to the end of this session, sir. That is the benefits of the equipment is the equipment is less complex and more portable itself, and also it can be taken for indoors and outdoors also, and also it is a material compactability. So with this we will come to the end of this session by seeing the welding tool. Thank you.